Hello guys, welcome to iPlus Education. This is Sayyed Ismail. In this video lecture, I am going to explain the solution of non-homogeneous differential equation that can be reduced to homogeneous equation. So here we have non-homogeneous equation, or we can say equations that can be reducible to homogeneous equation. General form is dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1. This numerator will represent a straight line. Similarly, in denominator we have a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is another equation of a straight line. Whenever we have differential equation having two straight lines on numerator and denominator, then those equations are called non-homogeneous differential equation that can be reduced to homogeneous equation. So we have some cases. Let us discuss case 1. If the ratio a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, if this ratio is equal, then working rule for this kind of equations are substituting this part as some dummy variable t. So substituting a1x plus b1 by st, after substituting, reduce this equation to a variable separable form. So this is the working rule procedure of finding the solution. Let us see the question and discuss this case. Solve 6x minus 4y plus 1 dy minus 3x minus 2y plus 1 dx equal to 0. We have given this equation straight line, and here also we have straight line. So this is get the value of dy by dx first. Here we have dy by dx. So write down 6x minus 4y plus 1 dy is equals to 3x minus 2y plus 1 dx. Now divide by dx. Here I have dy by dx is equals to 3x minus 2y plus 1 upon 6x minus 4y plus 1. Now this is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2. Here we have 3 by 6. Here we have minus 2 by 4. Let us check. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 or not. Now substitute, then we'll get 3 by 6 is equals to minus 2 by minus 4. So if I cancel this, 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are, minus minus will get cancelled. We have 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. That is this condition, a1 by equal to b1 by b2. Now this dy by dx is equals to, in numerator we have 3x minus 2y plus 1. Now in denominator take common 2. So if I take common 2, I'll get 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now these two terms are same. In such cases, we will take a1x plus b1y equal to t. Means we have to assume this part as t. Put 3x minus 2y is equals to some dummy variable t. Differentiate this with respect to x. So here I'll get 3 minus 2. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equals to dt by x. Now remove this dy by dx from this equation. Here I have 3 minus 2 into dy by dx value. Here we have 3x minus 2y values, t plus 1 by 2 into this value is t, 2t plus 1 is equals to, here I have dt by dx. Now take LCM here. We have 2t plus 1. Now 3 into 2 is 6, 60, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 2 into t is 2t, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Here we have dt by dx. Now 6t minus 2t is 4t, 3 minus 2 we have 1 by 2t plus 1 is equals to dt by dx. Now here we have all t terms. So send this dx to this side. We'll get dx is equals to, take this term to that side, then it will become reciprocal. So here we have 2t plus 1 in numerator and this will become denominator. 4t plus 1. Here we have dt. That is, two variables that are t and x are separated. X variable one side, t variable other side. Now the next step is integrating both sides and adding constant on either side. So here I add constant c plus integration dx. Here I will get integration 2t plus 1 by 4t plus 1 dt. Now here the integration is simple, but here we have integration 2t plus 1 by 4t plus 1. Both numerator and denominator have same power, t power 1, t power 1. Whenever both numerator and denominator have same power, then we express numerator similar to that of denominator. Let us see how. Consider this first. Take this as equation 1. Consider 2t plus 1 by 4t plus 1, that equal to, numerator will be same, 4t plus 1. We want numerator to be same as that of denominator. Here we have 4. I want 4t here. So we have to multiply 2. Then only we will get 4. So multiplying numerator by 2. It will become 4t plus 2. If I multiply 2 to this, it will become 4t plus 2. Then to balance this equation, we have to multiply 1 by 2 also. So 1 by 2 into 4t plus 2. If I take 2 common and cancel with this, then we will get this term. Now after that, here we have 1 by 2 into 4t plus 1. Here we have 4t plus 1. Here we have 4t plus 2. I want 4t plus 1 here also in numerator. So split this 2 as 1 plus 1. Now this will become 1 by 2 into, now separate this, 4t plus 1 by 4t plus 1 value is 1. Next 1 upon 4t plus 1. Next multiply this 1 by 2. We'll get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 4t plus 1. Now we got this value. Now let us substitute in equation 1. So this will become, here we have c plus integration dx value is x is equals to, we have integration the value of this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 4t plus 1 dt. So here I get c plus x. Separating the integration 1 by 2 dt plus 1 by 2 integration 1 by 4t plus 1 dt. Here we have c plus x is equals to, take 1 by 2 out of this integral, we have integration dt value is t plus 1 by 2 into integration 1 by ax plus b dx value is coefficient of x is a, so take 1 by a log of denominator. So similar to that, here coefficient of t is 4, so take 1 by 4 log of denominator 4t plus 1. So here I'll get c plus x is equals to t by 2 plus 1 by 8 log 4t plus 1. Now if I take LCM or if I multiply by 8, here I'll get 8c plus 8x is equals to, if I multiply 8 here, then I'll get 40 plus this 8 will get cancelled. Here I have log 40 plus 1. Now I need some space, let me erase this part. Now we have 8c plus 8x is equals to 40 plus log 40 plus 1. Now substitute the value of t, 8c plus 8x is equals to 4 into t value. T value is 3x minus 2y plus log 4 into t value. T value is 3x minus 2y plus 1. So here I have 4 into 3 is 12x, 8y plus log 12x minus 8y plus 1. Now this will become 8c plus 8x, take this 12x here, plus 8y is equals to log 12x minus 8y plus 1. So here we have 8c, 12 minus 8 is minus 4x plus 8y is equals to log of 12x minus 8y plus 1. Now we can say this is the solution for this question. So be written as 8c is equals to 4x minus 8y plus log 12x minus 8y plus 1. This equation finally can be written as 4x minus 8y plus log 12x minus 8y plus 1 is equals to, that 8c can be taken as constant a, where a value as 8c. This can also be the solution, or we can stop here itself. Now let us see the second case of non-homogeneous equation. Here we have non-homogeneous differential equation that can be reduced to homogeneous differential equation. General form is dy by dx equal to straight line upon straight line. Here this is the case 2, if the ratio a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. In case 1 we have this ratio equal, but here we have unequal ratios, a1 by 2 not equal to b1 by b2. In such case the working rule is put the value of this small x as capital X plus h, this small y is capital Y plus k. Also if I differentiate this, we will get dy by dx equal to capital dy by dx. Now this dy by dx is replaced by capital dy by dx, a1 value, this x is replaced by x plus h, this y is replaced by y plus k here. Now after multiplying we will get a1x plus b1y. Here we have capital, this is a constant, here we have a constant. Now we have to make these two relations equal to 0, that is we are selecting the values of h and k so that these two terms will become 0. If I solve these two values, we will get the value of h and k if I substitute that value here, this complete term will become 0. Then we are left with this term. Here we have dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y by a2x plus b2y. These two terms will become 0. Now this is reduced to homogeneous equation form. So after this we will apply homogeneous working rule. That is, non-homogeneous are converted to homogeneous differential equation. We will see this concept by a question. Let us see the solution for this question. Solve y plus x plus 5 into dy equal to y minus x plus 1 dx. Here we have one straight line, another straight line. So this is a non-homogeneous equation. Now get the value of dy by dx. Here we have dy divide by dx is equals to, here we have minus x plus y plus 1 upon x plus y, x plus y plus 5. Now let us check the ratio a1 by a2. Here we have a1 value as minus 1, a2 value is 1. So we have a1 by a2 value is minus 1. Similarly, ratio b1 by b2. b1 value is 1 and b2 value is also 1. So we got 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 1. It means that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. For this case, we have small x is equals to capital X plus h, small y is equals to capital Y plus k. So substitute this value. Now this implies dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to d capital Y by d capital X. Now this will become d capital Y by dx is equals to, here we have minus small x value. Here we have small x value is capital X plus h plus y. Y value is capital Y plus k plus 1 upon x plus y, x plus h, y plus k plus 5. Now multiply this minus. We have d capital Y by d capital X is equals to minus x plus y plus minus h. Here we have minus h plus k plus 1 upon capital X capital Y plus h plus k plus 5, h plus k plus 5. Now to convert this non-homogeneous equation into homogeneous equation, we have to make these two 0. So make minus h plus k plus 1 is equals to 0, h plus k plus 5 is equals to 0. These two terms should be 0. So this will become d capital Y by d capital X is equals to minus x plus y upon capital X plus y. This is 0 and this is 0. And we'll get the value of h and k. Solve these two. If I solve these two equations, that is by adding, we'll get 2k plus 6 equal to 0. So 2k value is minus 6, k value is minus 3. We got k value minus 3. Similarly, substitute this in equation 1. We have minus h plus k value is minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Minus h. Here I have minus 2 equal to 0. So h value is minus 2. We got h and k value. Now this is a homogeneous equation, since here we have x power 1, y power 1, x power of 1, y power of 1. Each term have same degree. So numerator have degree 1 and denominator is also having degree 1. So this is a homogeneous differential equation of same order, that is 1. So for homogeneous equation we made substitution, that is put capital Y is equals to V into capital X. So differentiate with respect to capital X. So here I'll get dy by d capital X equal to V plus X dV by d capital X. Now remove this dy by dx from this equation. So the value of this dy by dx is minus x plus y. Y value is vx upon x plus y. X plus y. Y value is vx is equals to, here we have v plus x, we have capital X d small v by d capital X. Now take x common from numerator and denominator and cancel. Then we have v minus 1 upon v plus 1. V plus 1, v minus 1. Take this v here. This will become minus v is equals to x dv by dx. Now if I take LCM here, v plus 1, here we have v minus 1, v into v, v square, minus v square, v into 1 is minus v, is equals to capital X dv by dx. Now this plus v and minus v get cancelled. We have, here we have minus 1 minus v square upon 1 plus v. Here we have v square is equals to x dv by d capital X. Now we have two variables, one is v, other is x. So apply variable separable form, that is separating the variables. Now this x dx can be taken to this side. So this will become dx by x. Here I have sent this term to that side, it will become reciprocal, that is 1 plus v upon minus 1 minus v square, numerator become denominator, into dv. Now we separated the variables, that is x on one side, v on one side. Now the next step is integrating both sides and adding constant. So let me add constant this side, c plus integration dx by x is equals to, take minus common, here I have minus integration 1 plus v upon 1 plus v square dv. Now here we have 1 by 1 plus v square, v by 1 plus v square. Let me separate this. Here I have c plus integration dx by x, value is log x. Now separate this, minus integration 1 by 1 plus v square. Writing 1 by 1 plus v square plus, here I have dv, here we have plus sign, minus into plus will become minus integration, distributing the integration v by 1 plus v square dv. We know that integration 1 by x square plus a square dx value is tan inverse x. Integration of f dash of x by f of x dx value is log of denominator, that is log of f of x. We know these two formulas, apply these two formulas here. Let me erase this part. Now here we have c plus log x, c plus log capital X is equals to integration 1 by 1 plus v square dv. Integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx value is tan inverse x. So here I'll get minus tan inverse, here we have v, so I'll get v. Here not a square, here we have 1, that is integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx value is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. If a value is 1, then we will get this formula. Here we have minus sign, minus, if I take this as f of v, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of v square is 2v. So if I multiply 2 here and 1 by 2, so this will be in the form of f dash of v, f dash of v by f of v, means integration f dash of x by f of x value is log of f of x. We require 2 here, that's why we have multiplied 2 and divided by 2. So here I'll get minus 1 by 2 integration 2v by 1 plus v square value is log of denominator, that is 1 plus v square. Now c plus log x, take minus common, we have tan inverse v value. V value from this, the v value is y by x, y by x. So capital Y by x plus 1 by 2 log 1 plus y square by x square. So this will become c plus log x minus of tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 log of, if I take LCM here, we'll get x square plus y square upon x square. Okay, so here we have c plus log x minus tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 log a by log b, value is log a by b. Log a by b value is log a minus log b. So log x square plus y square minus, here I have 1 by 2, due to this 1 by 2 log a by log b. So log x square. So here I have c plus log x is equals to minus tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 log x square plus y square. This 2 will come here, so this will become 2 by 2 value is 1 minus log x. So minus into minus will become plus, so we'll get plus log x. So here we have log x and 1 log x will get cancelled, since minus into minus is plus, these two will get cancelled. So here we have c is equals to minus tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 log x square plus y square. Now if I take LCM here, I'll get, send this minus to this side, minus c multiply by 2 will get minus 2c is equals to tan inverse y by x plus log x square plus y square. We thought this is a solution, but we have substituted this, that is small x is equals to capital X plus h. Small x value is capital X plus h value. H value is minus 2. So here I'll get minus 2. So from this capital X value is small x plus 2. So we have to replace this capital X by small x, that is x plus 2. Similarly, we put small y as capital Y plus k. So y value is, k value we got minus 3. So from this capital Y value small y plus 3. So we have to replace this. Take this minus 2c as another constant. A is equals to tan inverse. Here if we take LCM, then we'll get 2 here. So here I'll get 2. That is multiplying both sides by 2. 2 taking this minus 2c value as A, 2 tan inverse y value. Y value of, what is the value of y? Y plus 3. Small y plus 3 upon small x plus 2. Tan inverse y plus 3 by x plus 2 plus log of x value. X value is x plus 2 square plus y value. Y value is y plus small y plus 3 square. So this is the solution for this question. Now let us see the last case of this non-differential equation. Here we have non-differential equation. Case 3 is if b1 value equal to minus a2. It means that if this b1 value is same as that of a2 with respect to magnitude with negative sign, that is if these two have same value, opposite sign, then we use this case 3. Here working rule is put b1 equal to minus a2, that is putting b1 equal to minus a2 in this equation and just cross multiplying and using the concept of x dy plus y dx is derivative of xy. Now let us understand this concept by using this example problem. Here we have solve dy by dx is equal to x minus 2y plus 3 upon 2x plus y minus 5. Look at here, we have minus 2 and plus 2. Same magnitude with opposite sign. It means that we can apply this concept. And one more thing, if I check here from this, we can say b1 value is equals to minus of a2. b1 value is minus of a2 and a1 by a2. a1 by a2 value, what is a1 by a2? 1 by 2. b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 1. These two values are not equal. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Case 2 is there. So we do not apply case 2 here, because if I apply case 2 it will be a lengthy process. If this condition satisfies, let us check this condition also. If we have b1 equal to minus a2, this can be simply solved by using the cross multiplication concept. So we'll solve this question by this. Now cross multiply. Here I have dy into 2x plus y minus 5. So cross multiplying these two. 2x into dy. 2x dy. Y into dy. Y dy. 5 into dy minus 5 dy is equals to x into dx, x dx. Minus 2y into dx, minus 2y dx. 3 into dx. Now here we have x dy, y dx. X dy, y dx. So take this term here. We have 2x dy, this term, plus this 2y dx. Next we have plus y dy minus 5 dy. Take this here, it will become minus x dx. This will become minus 3 dx is equals to 0. Now take 2 common, we are having x dy plus y dx plus y dy minus 5 dy x dx minus 3 dx equal to 0. So this will become, this complete will be replaced by d of derivative of xy plus y dy minus 5 dy x dx minus 3 dx equal to 0. Now integrate both sides. Here I'll get 2 into integration and derivative. Let me write down integration of derivative of xy plus integration y dy minus 5 integration dy minus integration x dx minus 3 integration dx equal to, okay, here I'll take constant. So integration of 0 is a constant. Now integration derivative cancel, we have 2xy plus integration of y is y square by 2 minus 5y, derivative integration cancel, here I have x square by 2 minus 3x is equals to k. Now take LCM, we'll get 4xy plus y square minus 10y minus x square minus 6x is equals to 2k. Now take all these terms to that side, it will become x square minus y square plus 6x plus 10y minus 4xy, and take this 2k here, it will become minus 2k. Treating this minus 2k value as some constant c. So this is the procedure of solving case 3, that is b1 equal to minus a2.